Hey, welcome to Tim's Workshop out here in the backyard. It's Tim's tip of the day. A friend of mine called me and said, "Hey, I can't get this my sister-in-law's truck started." He said, I drove it over here yesterday. I washed it, went in to move it today, and it won't even turn over." So I got my voltage tester. I said, "I'll be over. We'll check it out." So I got over there and looked at the connections, and the ground side connection on a side mount type battery, it was loose, and but I tightened it, and I'm going, "Hey, it's tightened but it's still loose." I said, the battery was 12.8 volts, so it was good. So I added a washer to it and tightened it down, and it worked. So there's a tip for you. If you can't get your vehicle started but it had been running, try it out.